Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss dark circles under the eyes. Dark circles under the eyes are really common in both men and women and can often be accompanied by eye bags. It's an issue that can make the face appear older, and there are a few reasons it happens, like fatigue, sleep deprivation, or even oversleeping can enhance the darkness under the eyes. Not getting enough sleep can cause the skin to go pale, which allows the darkness to appear more pronounced, and can also cause a build-up of fluid under the eyes. Oversleeping can also cause eyes to appear puffy. The other cause is age. Our skin becomes thinner as we age and loses the fat and collagen that's needed to maintain skin elasticity. Dark blood vessels between your eyes are then enhanced. Eye strain. Spending too much time looking at the screens like TV, mobile phone, computer, tablet device can cause strain in your eyes, which can cause blood vessels around the eyes to enlarge. Allergies. An allergic reaction causes your body to release histamines as a response to harmful bacteria. Histamines cause uncomfortable symptoms such as itching, redness, and puffy eyes, but can also cause your blood vessels to dilate and become more visible beneath your skin. One reason is dehydration. When your body is not nourished with enough water, the skin beneath your eyes begins to look dull, and your eyes can look sunken due to their close proximity to the underlying bone. Sun exposure. Too much sun can cause your body to produce an excess of melanin, the pigment that provides your skin with color. Too much sun, particularly to your eyes, can cause pigmentation in the surrounding skin to darken. Genetics. Sometimes dark eye circles and puffiness can just be genetic. There are a number of treatments that you can carry out at home to help the problem, including get more sleep. The most important thing you can do to improve the appearance of your under eyes is to get enough sleep. Elevate your bed. Make sure you have enough pillows in bed so that your head is adequately elevated and prevents fluid from building up around your eyes. Cold compress. Applying a cold compress can reduce swelling and shrink the blood vessels under the eyes, helping eyes to look less puffy. Tea bags. Tea bags make excellent compresses for your eyes, as the caffeine and other antioxidants found in tea help reduce swelling and puffiness around the eyes. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.